How to reset your Credit Karma password. First of all, open your preferred web browser and go to the Credit Karma website. Once the homepage loads, click on the login button at the top right corner of the screen. Below the login fields, you will see the Try Another Way link. Click on it. Next, enter the email address associated with your Credit Karma account and click on Continue. Now select the Forget Password option when prompted. After that, Credit Karma will send a password reset link to your registered email address. Go to your email inbox and open the message from Credit Karma. Click on the link inside the email to begin the password reset process. On the new page, create a new secure password. Once you have entered and confirmed your new password, submit the form. Your password will be updated and you can now log into your Credit Karma account with the new password. Now you know how to reset your Credit Karma password. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, share and subscribe for more financial tips. Thanks for watching and I'll see you in the next one.